How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. This is the LHS vegetable chopper. If you're doing a lot of kitchen prepping, this can actually help you make things a lot quicker. I really like this pusher cleaner. If you get anything stuck in there, you can just pull this mesh out and it'll make your cleaning effort really easy. Afterwards, this is nice and flat and easy to clean. There's a small dicer, large dicer, really large dicer, and a rectangular dicer. It also comes with a peeler. It comes with a little case, which will allow you to store 5 of the inserts. The last one you can keep in the holder. It comes with a small shredder, large shredder, a grater for ginger. This will grate it so it's square. You have a crisscross potato grater and a slicer. You also have this knuckle saver that can go up and down. You put it on here on the rails and it can go back and forth. And as you slice the vegetable, you can push this down. So let's see how well the peeler works. Very sharp. And you have the eye remover on the edges. We'll use this crisp cut potato slicer. Turn it 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Crisscross fries. Wonderful. It makes it so it's kind of square instead. There's a little bit of wastage. Okay, let's grate some ginger. I'm gonna remove the skin first. Okay, it's very sharp actually. Very well grated, and I'm catching all this ginger juice in here too. Next we'll try the small grater. There are these notches over here, so you gotta put it in the correct way. And let's see how that works. Here's a closer up of the grates. It looks like each piece of carrot is slightly textured. This might be a result of the grate not being as sharp. Let's try this larger grate now. And finally, we can try this blade. Towards the end, we could use this thing again. Very quickly sliced carrots. I like to use a tomato to see how sharp the blades are. Let's see. Look at that. Perfect slices for a burger. Let's try to dice this tomato here. Works a lot better if you just slam it shut. Slam this one. Well, there's your diced tomatoes. There's a handy mesh cleaner here. You just pull it out. It all comes out. And then you just put this back. And for this cutter, you can just flip it over because the pusher is towards the back. And then we can try and cut this guy. Now we got bigger pieces. You can clean it a bit easier if you just kind of knock it a little bit and it all comes off. Now I got the squash to cut. We'll use the big square first. Cut it into the big square, just like that. Or we want to cut it into the rectangular shapes. Cut it this way. Bam, 2. Since there's nothing really oily about this, I just rinsed it and it was clean in a few minutes. Upon first use, it's actually very sharp. It might actually be a positive to have plastic grater so that it's not so sharp that it cuts you. Overall, I think this is very good if you're gonna cut a lot of vegetables. If you have a meal to prepare for a family, this can save you a lot of time on the cutting board. If you guys are interested in getting one of these, check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.